Hey YouTube, there's this really loud fox just sitting in the middle of my yard. It's that little orangish yellowish thing. It's being super loud. Hey little fox. Little fox. Who knows, maybe just my cat. Fox? Little fox. Sonic, is that you? It might actually just be my cat. Yeah, I think it's my cat. And the birds were just attacking him. Yep, it's my cat. Come on. I didn't even know you guys make those weird noises. Hey, Sunny. Alright, YouTube. Bye-bye.